Hey folks, welcome to Justy Tech. So I got a new system. You can see the name of the system. This is Dell Optiplex 7470 Alpha 10. So I bought this system, and as you can see here, I have a second monitor, but it's not displaying. So, and I did verify, and as you can see here, there is no video, there is no RAM on it, there is no video graphics card on it. So in this video, I will walk you guys through how you can install video RAM and make your second monitor to start working. So let's go to Dell real quick. So I did have this already. So here, what you can do, click on the download drivers and download. So from here, I will choose the specific driver because I know the driver I'm looking for. I need a video graphics driver. So open the drop down, select, go down to video, select that, and you would see different drivers here. So we're not gonna do NVIDIA. What we need is Intel UHD Iris Plus graphics driver. So you can go ahead and click download. I think I have this already downloaded in my downloads, so we will run that installation. So we would say yes to that installation and click continue. So here we can see the installation loading. So let's click on begin installation. So we'll give that time to run. So this is user license agreement. Of course, scroll down, read it, and agree. So we'll do execute clean installation. Go ahead and start and let that run. And here we can see that the video installation is complete. So now we have a video card installed. So you can see the second camera is working now. And if we go back and check, here, you can see this is still saying not detected, but if we go back into that, we can see that now we'll see that we have a video card installed already. Great. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Please like my channel, subscribe and share, and stay connected to the next updates and informative videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye bye.